morning, my name's John and welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Today I'd just like to go over how simple it is to install a heads-up display into your motorhome. Those of you who are on the taller side may find it the same as I do, quite hard to see the speedometer when you're driving. With the Ducato, where the steering wheel comes, in my case, from 10 miles an hour to 70 miles an hour, I just can't see where the speed is without ducking my head down like this to see the steering, the speed past the steering wheel. So let's just go into what we get in the box. It's dead simple. It's a plug-and-play device, and I'll just show you what you get in the box. Here we go. Oh. Oh. In the box you get your display, your plug and power, which is also your power lead. This plugs into the diagnostic port on your computer, on your vehicle. It's dead simple to do. Like I say, I'll show you in a moment. Yeah, a small user guide, but the print is rather small on that. You get an anti-glare screen if you need it, and that is it. The only tools you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a tool to push the wiring down behind the trim. So here we go. Bear with me and I'll take you through step by step. As you can see, this is my view of the speedometer past the steering wheel in my normal driving position. It's no good for someone who's tall like me, so this is why we've invested in the heads-up display. So bear with me, we've just got a few things that we need to do before we start. Firstly, your onboard diagnostic port is behind this little panel here, so it's just a matter of 2 Phillips screws, as you can see it's unscrewed now. It's just a matter of lifting it out. The next I'm going to have to show you from outside. Let me just get a torch, my flashlight. Just in there you'll see your port. It's this piece just here. So this is one of the simplest pieces to do. It's just a matter of using this plug. Make sure you got it the right way around. That's it, it's plugged in. There you go, it's up and working. So the next thing is feeding the cable up the side of the door, down side of the pack window screen to where you need it in front. So here we go. Let me sod's law, if you're going to tangle it, you're going to tangle it on video, aren't you? It's just a matter now of, as you can see, it's really simple to feed behind the track. Sorry, there you go, that bit's all behind the trim. That's it, there you go. Now, looking at the base of the display itself, you'll see a little button here. What you do, you push that in once and that will bring up your menu, and you just move it left to right to change your speed. Actually, it'd be better if I show you it in situ. There we go, the engine's now running. The display will go somewhere like this. There you go, you can just see the 0 in the windscreen. So I need to set that in the right place. Now, to get to your menu, let's say for argument's sake that your speedometer was doing 20 and this was doing say 25, then what you need to do is, the little button just here is hold it down. You get to the menu. Number 1 is the speed setting, so all you have to do then is move it to the right and it will move up speeds, or move it left to take it down. So that's how simple that is. There we go, it's as simple as that. Any other settings that you need, i.e. if it's set in kilometers, all the instructions come with it. As you can see, it's took me less than 5 minutes to install. I've just now got to find the right place to sit it, and that's it done. Well, there you go folks, thanks for sticking with me till the end. It was only a 5-minute job. In my case it was simple, it was just plug and play. I didn't have to go into the settings and change anything. If you do have a problem with it, i.e. if it's in kilometers and you want it in miles, the instructions are quite clear how to change everything. It's also, if your speedometer, like I said, is slightly different to the up head display unit, I'll get it right in a minute, it's very simple to change. So that's it for now. Thanks for sticking with us. If you are interested in buying one, I got it from AliExpress. It was £16 including delivery. It was here within a week, so pretty good, straightforward, cheap add-on to your vehicle. That could be, if you're in my situation where you can't see the speedometer easily enough when you're driving, then I would suggest getting one. So that's it from me this week. You take care, stay safe and happy travelling. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.